I mean, the research and writing part of the legal practice has always been my primary focus. Going from being a law clerk to then being an associate in a big law firm, where that's pretty much what I was called upon to do. I soon realized that was pretty much what I like to do, and so appeals seemed like the logical place to take that. Well, like anything in law, I think it's a fairly specialized skill, both identifying what the legal errors were and being able to communicate them in writing to the Court of Appeals, because that's primarily what they're going to rely on as the written work product. There is often an argument at the end of the case as well, but that tends to be really short. You can only focus on a few discrete things. It's usually the written briefs that matter the most. You have to be able to recognize first a potential issue, a problem below, and then research it and analyze it to figure out whether it was in fact an error and one that would be deemed important enough to merit some sort of relief. And then the second thing is to then write that in a brief in a way that is clear and understandable and compelling to a very busy appellate judge who's going to be reading it. I graduated from college at the University of Wisconsin. I went to law school at Duke. After that, I clerked for a Supreme Court justice in Minnesota for a year. Then I went to work for a large law firm in Washington, D.C. And I did that for about 3 years. Moved to Colorado. Worked for a mid-sized law firm for a couple of years, and then I was an appellate lawyer at the Colorado Public Defender for about 7 years before going to private practice.